Hey everyone, this is Gary Kay. This is a special, edition of my rants and raves with Charles Montoya, and Charles is the director of sales and marketing for UC products at MAXHUB. Charles, how you doing?
Doing good, doing good. Yourself?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well. So you're going to go to Zoomtopia. I believe you're in booth number 43, and you're going to take all the stuff we showed at InfoComm. Obviously, your 360 camera, your new line of UC cameras, your LEDs, your IFPs, and stuff like that. But you're going to be launching a new product as well, aren't you?
Yeah, so we're gonna obviously MaxHub's been known for the last couple of years of bringing in high quality, economically priced video bars, 360 cameras, 180-degree field of view cameras, PTZs. We are getting ready to announce something that is much more in that all-in-one flavor. We're hearing a lot from our customers, right? Our customers are asking for simple, easy. How can I get one SKU that has everything that I need to hang it up on a wall, plug right in, and be Zoom rooms ready from day one? That's what you're going to see our announcement being more about, of how we can make things simple to install, simple to maintain, simple to manage, simple to purchase, and being in the MaxHub kind of model of being really high quality at a great economical price point.
Well, obviously, this being Zoomtopia, it's obviously going to be a Zoom integrated product, and it might be right behind you.
It might be in this room, it might be in this room right now. It might be something that, we've been focusing on quite a bit. And I will tell you, we're really excited about our Zoom relationship. We've been working with them for over a year and a half now, bringing more and more products to market. I know they're really excited that we're getting into this new marketplace. I would tell you this is a marketplace where MaxHub is really focused on taking it and driving the technology, not just for huddle rooms and small conference rooms, but being able to build on this and being able to take the technology to medium and large conference rooms. I get a lot of people that ask me, hey, the name of your company is MaxHub. Is there a reason for that? It's like, yeah, we want to be the hub of your communication system, right? We want to be in that center portion. And I think with some products that we'll be announcing at Zoomtopia, you'll see that we're taking more of a direction that way as well.
Yeah, and we'll be covering all of those. We're actually going to the show. We'll be there shooting videos everywhere, but we'll specifically be there for this new product launch that MaxHub has. And of course, you can check out MaxHub in the meantime, maxhub.com, but come back to ravepubs.com and we'll definitely have the news for you. I'm curious, where do you see this sort of market going with, this has been a space where we were all required to use UC products. I'm interested because I see the product that you have behind you is not mounted. I believe that the collaboration board type products shouldn't be. I believe that people want to wheel them in and or even keep them where they're mobile inside of a meeting so that they can be put anywhere in the room rather than be required to be, quote, front of room. I also don't think people feel comfortable leaning over a cadenza or even walking up to, and sometimes they're too short. Their height is too short. They can't touch the top of the display, especially when you get into larger sizes. I'm curious if you agree with me. I almost feel like every room should add a collaboration board rather than the collaboration board be the focus of the room.
You know what? I'll tell you, I've seen a lot of research going on out there, and I think you're seeing the direction of corporate and enterprise space moving that direction without a doubt. We've seen it in the K through 12 and the higher education for quite a long time.
Exactly.
Our focus is really going to be on that enterprise and corporate space. That's kind of the target market for us, because you're right. Hey, moving it from room to room is great, but you got to make sure it's simple. You got to make sure it's easy. I'm also saying this to you. I hear a lot of customers today where interactive is nice, but it's how can I use it to really have a simplified communication? How can I have it to be a simple meeting spot? That's what we're really looking to take this towards, right?
Yep. So you have Zoom, you have a whiteboard integrated directly into it then, as opposed to a third-party whiteboarding requirement.
You will definitely see more about that on November, but yes.
I'm trying to get information out of you. How many
I would say this to you. MaxHub and our parent company, CVTE, they've been doing IFP for a decade now, right? So this is really us taking that to the next level. This is us really taking that to the enterprise space where it's been missing so much today, right? I think last report I read said somewhere between 3 to 7% of enterprise conference rooms have all-in-ones or interactive flat panels, we're looking to change it. We're looking to change that dramatically.
Yeah, and that requires to change that. That requires more options and variable pricing rather than it all being very expensive. And MAXHUB, that's one of the things y'all have been known for, is kind of entering the market very aggressively with pricing as well. And don't forget, you do have video bars and speaker phones, even the traditional old speaker phones, cameras, 180 degree all the way up to 360 degree, all the way down to 90 degree cameras. Also LEDs, as people may not remember, PTZ cameras, ePTZ cameras. Go ahead, Charlie.
And Gary, what I tell you is that's the part where I think we have the advantage in the marketplace, right? Because yes, we're going to have a device that's going to be in the center with everything that you need. But as you grow into the medium rooms, as you grow into the larger conference rooms, as you need additional audio components, MAXHUB has those pieces of the puzzle that fit right in, right? Simple plug and play. So if you go into a huddle space, a small, medium, a medium, or a large conference room, your interface is going to be the exact same. The only thing that's really going to change is kind of the peripherals that you have in place, right? So for companies and enterprises that are looking to grow and make everything simple for people, MAXHUB is definitely going to be the company of choice.
Well, check it out all at maxhub.com. Go to booth 43 if you're at Zoomtopia. If you're not there, don't worry, we're going to be there. Our editor, Steph Beckett's going to be there shooting videos and interviewing people on the show floor. Charlie, thanks for joining me today.
Always happy to be a part of it. Take care.
All right. Somebody wants to use that room, so we need to get off here. Thanks for joining me. If you can see all of our video casts at ravepubs.com, y'all have a great day.
With rants and raves, you'll be okay. And today is your lucky day. It is rants and raves with Gary.